Hey, what's up everyone? I very almost didn't make this video today. It's actually 8 p.m. my end of the world, and while we're having dinner, my mom asked how my day went and if I got everything done that I actually needed to. I was like, shit sakes, I haven't done my video. So we're doing this nice and casual again today, as I've already closed down the day, I've already put my laptop away, etc. And it's been nuts, like I mentioned before. Monday is just super productive, and with the IG course to go through, I go down a serious rabbit hole of strategy and consumption. With that being said, let's roll with day 20 of the 30 videos in 30 days series. And today's topic is quite apt considering, as I had nothing planned or prepared, which actually has been at least 50% of this series, as I've done it so messy. And the topic is the one quality you will either need to acquire and or master in your online business, which is that of self-discipline. See, your online business is not like a job where you get to show up and get paid to do X per month irrespective, while there are other staff or team members taking care of other elements of the process, and your day officially starts and ends at a specific time. See, in your own business, you wear all the hats. And while it's amazing that you work from home and have flexibility and can scale your income, also at home have flexibility and have more cash flow, right? The reality is there's just a million distractions. Like today, for example. Our winter is well and truly on the way, and it's so nice to sit and thaw in bed until whatever o'clock with coffee and puppy snuggles. And of course, those doggy snuggles turn into hundreds of doggo walks throughout the day. There's going to be a fridge available 24/7 and all the relevant cooking utensils, TVs and Netflix on demand if that's your thing, and the list just goes on and on. So self-discipline is something you have to actively and consistently practice in order to go and get shit done. You actually have to show up, write, record, and distribute content, follow up with leads and clients, make the offers, do the accounts, build assets, collect data, create trainings, plan for future events, and record things like the 30 videos in 30 days series I'm doing right now. No matter the time or place, the only way that you can build those habits is actually to show up. It's a completely underrated quality, but completely necessary, and is actually super positive because it builds confidence with your audience and clients. It builds character and healthy habits for you and your brand. Ultimately keeps you going long term and not actually losing momentum you create as you grow through things, right? So folks, a little challenge for you today is choose something in your business you want to get better at and actively show up and do it every day for the next 30 days. Exact same challenge that was put forward to me by my coach Nate 20 days ago. I wanted to get better at long form pre-recorded video, so committed to 30 days straight, and here we are on day 20. And now it's an absolute necessity to get it done. I even quite enjoy it. So let me know down in the comments what you commit to for the next 30 days, and then go and master that self-discipline and see how much changes in the next 30 days for you and your business. Folks, nice, short and sweet. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your Monday. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll catch you all tomorrow for day 21. Cheers for now.